Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Tali from WSI Digital Path. Today, I would like to speak a little bit about bite-sized content and why it's important. We all probably heard about the goldfish has a 9-second attention span. And we as human being actually have a shorter one. Microsoft research shows it's 8 seconds. I would say it might be even shorter those days. So we have no patience at all. And this is why it's important to create bite-sized content. 3 small and simple tips for creating this bite-sized content. First, be brief and come right to the point of what you want to deliver, any tips, any recommendations or suggestions. So be brief. Don't put those, long lines of text before getting somewhere. Second is be positive. It's really important. And those days, a lot of, content we read, it's about positivity and being positive. So keep it light, keep it positive, and be on a positive and light note. Don't be too serious. And number 3, it's repurposing the content. If you have long presentations, live events, webinars that have been recorded previously, you can cut it to smaller bite-sized pieces that could be repurposed for social media, for example, for email content, basically could be repurposed otherwise in short bites. So I would like to hear your opinion about the content, short bite content, if you were maybe successful with certain topics of short content, if you're just starting. I would like to see your comments below. Have a great day, everyone.